So here I have word processing software. I'm using Microsoft Word, and let's just put in some information. So I'm going to perhaps create a document, and the document title is going to be document title, and then perhaps it's going to have a series of chapters, chapter 1, blah, de blah, and then let's just copy that and do that a number of times. And let's just do that again, and then let's put in chapter 2. Now, as word processing software, this now allows me to manipulate this text so it's more of a document format. So for example, what I can do is I can say, well, no, that's actually a title, and then I can say, well, this is actually a heading, and this also is a heading. And so now already I'm beginning to get some structure to my document. I can look to the bottom left and I can see that there is 168 words in this document, so it automatically does a word count. But I can do some good stuff. What I can do in this example, what we're just going to do is we're going to add a table of contents. So I'm going to go into References, Table of Contents. And I can ask it to automatically put in a table of contents. There we go. So if I just click on here, I've automatically got a table of contents here. And the advantage of that is if I now put perhaps a few page breaks into here, there we go, then I have my table of contents here. And then what I can do is if I now need to go to chapter 1, I just hold down Control and it will automatically take me to that place in the document. So when I click on it, there we go. So I can actually put another page break in here. If I just zoom out, you can see the look of the feel of a document. I have chapter 1, chapter 2. Now this actually title really shouldn't be there. That title should really be on the first page. So what I'm now going to do, I'm going to put a cover page perhaps. And I can use this cover page. Here we go. And my document. Software. So there you can see very easily and very quickly you can create a document, you can format the document, and you can use a lot of the power of a piece of software like Microsoft Word to take some very straightforward text and make it into an actual document. So here we go, let's just zoom out and have a look. There we go. There's my 4-page document. Now, of course, there's a lot of power here to learn in Microsoft Word, and we've got other classes that will show you. But that's the idea of word processing software. You can just put in standard text, and then you can do a lot of formatting to it, put structure to it, create mailing lists. A lot of fun.